like they're medium, but not really, so. But nearly a bit. It's just the planes, whatever. I don't know. I haven't flown one in a while. I haven't flown one before. Airplane beside us. Just a huge parking lot there. Zooming in to look. There it is.
Flight attendants preparing for takeoff.
Sorry about that. It was just the announcement preparing us for takeoff. Just enjoy this video. Fire truck.
No, just the dogs in the car.
Yeah.
What's that?
Getting ready. I think there's another plane in front of us.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I think that plane's going first. We're flying in an A319 right now. And yes, Carter's voice.
I grew up on a farm. I grew up on a cattle farm.
We're just about to be taking off. Just about in a couple minutes.
We'll get some rounds, man. More than just
The runway is right there. The dark gray part is where the yellow arrows are.
Get out there, I'm gonna tear down one outbuilding, and build a new outbuilding with
There's another plane just about to land. It is coming.
Because when I was a kid, I was never allowed to have one.
There it goes.
If it didn't make money, my dad and grandpa were both farmers. And so if,
Our engine seemed to be roaring.
a horse didn't make any sense.
Oh, sorry.
That was my great grandparents. They had 2 Clydesdale UTVs. And my dad tells me stories about when great grandpa, when the first tractors were coming out, he didn't want one. And my dad asked him, "Hey, Grandpa, how come you don't want
I think it's 18 left, I think. Okay. Ready to hear this roaring engine going?
Whatever it was.
I like that.
Watch this sick takeoff in an Airbus A319. It's about to happen just like in a few seconds.
Yeah.
We're
I
moving.
don't disagree. There's an Amish community not very far from where we're at. Everybody pays them to, if you're to build a, yeah,